In this video, I'll show you how to fill out a Chase deposit slip correctly. When you pick up the slip, the first thing you'll see is the date line in the top right corner. Start by writing today's date there. Below that, you'll find spaces for your full name and your Chase account number, so make sure to write them clearly to avoid any processing issues. Next, move down to the section where you record what you're depositing. If you're depositing cash, write the amount on the cash line. If you're depositing checks, you'll notice multiple lines. Use each one to write the amount of every check separately. For example, if you have 3 checks, list them one by one, then add them together. Once you've entered your cash and check amounts, add them up and write the total in the subtotal box. If you'd like to receive cash back from your deposit, write the amount you want to take out in the Less Cash Received section. The teller or the app will subtract that from your subtotal, and the final number you see is what will actually go into your account. This amount should be written in the net deposit box at the bottom. Always double-check your math, since any mistakes can delay your deposit. Finally, if you requested cash back, don't forget to sign the slip at the bottom. If you're only depositing money, the signature line can usually be left blank. Once your slip is filled out, place it along with your cash or checks into an envelope, or simply hand them both to the teller at the counter. If you're using an ATM, many machines allow you to insert the deposit slip with your cash and checks together. Either way, keeping your writing neat and double-checking your totals ensures your deposit is processed quickly and correctly.